I've missed this place. Right, step where I step, and don't touch anything. Silly no-jetter. It's safe in here. I think I'd remember if I'd set any booby traps in my own secret lab.
Great. Now what?
I'm pretty sure there's a switch to open the door somewhere. I just need to remember where.
Quick! We're running out of time! There's no release switch anywhere in here!
That's it! It's not in here! It's out there! Oh, not that switch! The one next to it!
All right! Aced it! Now, what are we gonna do for a present?
I don't know. There's just a load of old memories from when we were cadets. I've got an idea!
Urgent warning. Ubercorn arriving in 3, 2, 1.
We got it! Surprise!
Whoa!
Happy birthday!
I didn't even know you knew it was my birthday. How did you do all this without me noticing?
Oh, it was easy. Thanks to a little bit of help from Jetpad and Glitch, of course.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, this is amazing. Wow, all my memories from my time as a cadet. Oh, look at my hair.